nails too. My nails in a white. Oh God. See me every minute. Me are going on my purse, see me here. So if me I wear this now, let me show you. Just pretend to them about now. I'm bad see. Make them tell me so this. I mean, remember when I had clothes here? And the Team Spice clothes here. Alright, so see it now. So you see if me wear this and the end is very, very tall. You have a one tuck it in. Like just an example. Just a show, not really like this correct shorts or whatever. Just like this example. Alright. So say me I got turkey. Zine. Yeah, back for that. Put it on. I'm just a show now. I look at vibes in. Alright, they have some females with big breasts. Yeah, let me see them. They have some females with big breasts. This is very tall. Definitely, yeah, fix it. And you have some females with big breasts where they bought the yasa alone. Eh? Yeah, we're bought the yasa alone. Alright. With them bought now, right yasa alone like this. That means that button this so and button right here so you know it look like this. See? You have some with no button at all. So it look like this. I cannot even see. So just imagine saying a baby. So this will be something that I wear, like that I wear this way. Like this way. So when I wear this way, or over here we have tag the panit. What do you lady? Your mother are your insane. Your mother are your insanity. Alright. So this is done for the whatever. Boom. Have a dress, good pants. Alright now, so you take it out now. So you take it out, see? So you tuck in same like you got button up. I left me so left a light left on the car. I'm your light. Anything you want to put it? Have pants. Alright, you have ladies. This means somebody. You have ladies now. What would I go so? What would I go so? Let me just say, what would I wear it so? Fuji said speed. You know, they left us a little cleavage. One side drop down and so yeah, so you know, sexy. Alright, for the hot girl them now, the buzzy girl them. That's we go to one way that we might do an ear sneakers. So buy one. And then the ear top there. So the hot girl them now with a gusto. Maybe I'm gonna go also little bit. If I'm wearing all one of them, because some me just you know, I'm just different. I'm gonna wear this so. Make sure this drop down from my hands so. But that hold all it so for the whole night. Cause you want to look so for the whole night I'm gonna leg off fire so. I'm gonna go so bow. And I meet this. Oh God, I'm hungry body. Yeah. By the time you don't need it tonight, you know, you're alone there. Shut up, alright, some persons would wear it so. So no other way. Yeah, it have a skirt. And then can find maybe skirts in the yard, but I'm going them anyway. Yeah, so I look at pink tights that come in, says a suit again. Hey guys, alright. Sometime, tell me that. Tights. Yeah, I'm going to after this. Alright, so I'm going to go some now with this zine. Man and everybody like them style. So you know them shirts I can wear with heels, sneakers, anything. So I'm gonna go so zine boom. I'm gonna go so back. Zine, remember to bear in mind I still have on my jeans shorts. Hold on. Yeah, there's so many on it. You know, if I see it up there, your foot. I give an example. And then look up and see rider. See? You can tuck in so and have just the front alone a show. And you know you put in a so in a your louvers. Set speed. You want to come more cleavage. You go so booms. And you go so booms. Right there so. Kind of open a little bit out. Little bills, you know, but I want to see. I love you too, guys. That's tough dog. Fancy a black bag there with the mommy. Why is over there so? The black bag there with the yellow pants. me I wear this without with sneakers and no socks. You know you go so booms with that one of them bag, yeah. And them big bag, you know, look yellow in a she. She go so booms. Me we button all her to my neck, you know. I'm a two chain them drop all right to say in my chest, you know. And a bag. And I'm a big bottom sneakers for my foot, you know. Terrible. You know me not advance, you know my ear. Breeze. No. Breeze that blow me, you know my bougie. Where's my nails do? My nails in a white. Oh God. See me every minute. Me I go in my purse, see me here. See me here. I lock back my bag and I hold it so in the party. Or if it's a go over my shoulder, you know, I want it too long. You know, I go so. Should I right side of my arm so. Oh God! Classy! You know you can go back. For the girls that are going to the club and so, you have a shoe or whatever, you know you can drop back with a little bit so. Grabs! One line, I'm showing you this. All in one too. Put that on the bottom because I don't know where for now. You know you go so grabs. Because it here. You know why? Because it show a lot of leg. I put drop it for the night. So you know this can put out with the heels, car, hold it a leg there so they go out the door. They'll say I quiz me man. Quiz me man. Yeah. Come with one bat. So what I say. The pants where you out so long, see the right in front of your big fish. I mean guys, I have to take out that belt. So like a belly band. What else there? And so you put suit? Where you just write suit alone? All this time now look on you. Put this over so again, I'm going to take out this. Jesus Christ, close them tight, see? I have an oversized girl, I have a boy. I just weird. Give me that thing that I put on this and show them over the rack this. Where they look at where blouse where they show me the white blouse with a big end sleeve.
So with it, me, I will put it.
Oh, you take it off? So they eat this. Go tonight already. I'm not ready to go again. We have a lot of fast money beating. What just a fair party? You can't just say them here just different. See, I'm working a bar. You get a nice jeans. And a bougie top or one battery rider, one jacket suit, a sneakers, a brother working a bus rider. One's tight slits. Come back alive? All of us wearing it. What else? Yeah, put them here yesterday again. Alright, put them yesterday. Can't say the Spanish, can't say Spanish. It's in a bar. Summer bird. Alright, I'm showing you how I'm gonna go with this. I just saw me dress, I can't help it. First thing I come back is in a closet and it's so outside.
Then we have some of the time for Tashina.
Tag them so I can know and tag them so they can mess up. Hey, that is a nightie. Hey, Spanish man, I don't know what you're saying now. Give me this man, show them up. That's oh, me that weird. Yes.